In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Tronlink extension to Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up my Google Chrome here. And now from this page, you want to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then look for extensions. And then you want to go ahead and visit the Chrome Web Store. So now it's going to direct me to the Chrome Web Store. And now once you're here, what you want to do in the search where it says search extensions and themes, type in Tronlink like so, and then click in the Tronlink. And now this is the official extension for Tronlink. At this point of recording, it's got over 600,000 users and it's got 376 ratings. So what you want to do is add this to Chrome. This is just only going to get popular in my opinion. So I'm going to add this extension. And now what this is going to do, this is going to add this extension to Google Chrome. So now give it a few moments to install it to your Google Chrome. I'll just pause this video and get back to you. Alright, so as you see, Tronlink has been added to Chrome. So if I exit out of that, to access the Tronlink extension, click on extensions here, click on Tronlink, and now here you go. So from here you can create a new wallet or import an existing wallet.